Students, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you're able to see me also, right? I mean, you're able to see the screen also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I gave few problems as homework yesterday, right?
Yes.
So everybody has completed? No response. Let me check.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Let me check. Only 3 of them are completed. What about others?
Sir,
Get it?
sir, actually yesterday I was not able to attend, sir, so I didn't know. I'll complete it by today, sir.
Okay, who's this?
Bhavdaini, sir. Yesterday's class I was not able to attend, sir.
Okay. What about others?
Sir,
Divya?
yesterday I had to go out, sir, for my dog's veterinarian. So I didn't know. I mean, I didn't see the assignment, sir.
Others? Mithun? Mithun is not there. Pranav?
Sir, I completed, sir.
It's not submitted yet.
I'll check it, sir. I'll send it in WhatsApp, sir. I guess there may be some.
Upload it only in the app. Don't send it in WhatsApp.
Oh, okay, sir. Yeah.
Srivatsan, what about you? Srivatsan? Surya Muthu, was that you who told you couldn't complete?
Yes, sir.
What about Archana and Anand? What is the issue? I gave only 5 problems, right? What is the issue? I told you have to complete it today. Anand, what's the problem? Tell me.
Sir, actually, I had headache, sir.
You could have done
So
it
I
today
couldn't
also.
do.
You could have done it today also. You could have done it after your school, after 3:30 also. You could have done. It will maximum take 20 minutes of time.
Uploaded after the class, sir.
Archana?
Yes, sir, I'm going to do it.
See, next time onwards, I'll not allow this. This will be taken on a very serious note. Because I don't want you to come and sit in the class blank and not understand anything and then leave. There is no purpose. How will others understand? How will you guys who have not completed understand what I'm going to teach today? So look at the 13th one. Example 11. Find the equation of the ellipse whose vertices are plus or minus 13, 0 and the foci are plus or minus 5, 0. So if you observe, the vertices are on x-axis and the focus is also on the x-axis. So what kind of an ellipse is this?
Horizontal, sir.
So it's a horizontal ellipse, right? So for a horizontal ellipse, what are all the values that are given? That is 13, 0, minus 13, 0, and the focus is minus 5, 0. Here it is 5, 0. Right? And the center is going to be origin. Right? So what is the solution? AE is 5. What is the AE? That is the focus point. AE is equal to 5 and A is 13. right? So from this, find out E. E is 5 by 13. So what is the required equation of ellipse? So for a horizontal ellipse or vertical ellipse, it's x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. In this case, a is greater than b. So how will you find b? B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. A square is how much? 13 square into 1 minus e square is 5 square divided by 13 square. So b square is equal to 13 square into 13 square minus 5 square divided by 13 square. This and this will get cancelled. 13 square is 169 minus 25. It is 144. So how much is the value of b? B is 12. So tell me guys, what will be the required equation? X square by 13 square plus y square by b square, that is 12 square, is equal to 1. So this will be the required equation. Clear? Next. Now see, this question, the 10th one is find the coordinates of the foci, the vertices, lengths of major and minor axis, and eccentricity of an ellipse, whose equation is 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. So given ellipses, 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36, which implies x square divided by 4 plus y square divided by 9 is 1. So what I did is divided with 36 on both the sides. So x square by 9 plus x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. So here a is less than b. A is less than b, right? So everything will get reversed. So what is the foci? It will be 0, comma b. You have to replace a with b, that's it. Similarly, what will be the vertex? Vertices will be 0, comma plus or minus b and plus or minus a, comma 0. What about length of major axis? So length of major axis will be 2b, minor axis will be 2a. So what about the eccentricity? Eccentricity will be root of b square minus a square divided by b. Because in the horizontal ellipse, it is a square minus b square by a. Here it will be b square minus a square divided by b. Are you guys clear with everything? So first, let's find out the eccentricity. Root of b square, that is 9 minus a square 4 divided by b. B is 3. So it is root 5 by 3. So what will be the foci? 0, comma plus or minus b is how much, guys? 3 into e is root 5 by 3. This and this will get cancelled. 0, comma plus or minus root 5 will be the answer. Okay. Similarly, what about the vertices? Zero, comma plus or minus 3 and plus or minus 2, comma 0. What else? Did they ask about lattice rectum? No, they didn't. So if they ask about lattice rectum, it will be 2a square by b. Got it? Hmm. 12th. Find the equation of the ellipse whose length of the major axis is 20 and the foci is 0, plus or minus 5. So what kind of an ellipse is this? It's a...
Vertical ellipse, sir,
So how did you find out?
because foci is on the y-axis.
On the y-axis, yes. It's a vertical ellipse. So for vertical ellipse, 2b is 20, which implies b is 10. So 0, plus or minus BE is equal to 0, plus or minus 5. So BE is equal to 5, which implies E is equal to half because B is 10. Am I clear? So what will be the value of A? A square is equal to B square into 1 minus E square. So A square is equal to, what is B square, guys? 100 into 1 minus 1 by 4. So 100 into 3 by 4, that will be 25. So A square will be 75. We don't need A, we need A square. So A square is 75, B square is 100. So what will be the required equation? X square by 75 plus Y square by 100 is equal to. Okay. Now see. Solution. Find the equation of the ellipse with the major axis along the x-axis and passing through the point 4, 3 and minus 1, 4. So let the required equation be x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Okay. So how many unknowns do we have? We have two unknowns. A and B are two unknowns. So two unknowns, two equations are required. Since it passes through 4, 3 and minus 1, 4, substitute both in that. So 4 square by a square plus 3 square by b square is equal to 1, which implies 16b square plus 9a square is equal to a square b square. Similarly, minus 1 by 4 will also satisfy. That will be 1 by a square plus 16 by b square is 1, which implies b square plus 16a square is equal to a square b square. Right? Now what you can do is you can solve these two equations. So how you can solve is multiply second equation with 16. So 16b square plus 256a square is equal to 16a square b square. So subtract both. 16b square will get cancelled. 256a square minus 9a square is equal to 15a square b square. So what is 256 minus 9? 248. So 247. Access through 4, 3. So 4 square by 3 a square plus 3 square by b square is 1. 1 by a square plus 16 by b square. So b square plus 16a square.
15 b square.
Where? So 247a square is equal to 15a square b square. So a square will get cancelled, which implies b square is equal to 247 by 15. Let me check once. next sections. So this is problem number 12, right? 13. It's right only. B square is 247 by 15. We are right only. So B square is 247 by 15. Similarly, find out what is A square. Once you get it, write x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1. A square substituted and B square also substitute the values, you will get the required answer. Okay, I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that A square part I'm leaving it to you. So what were the problems which were homework? So now I hope you can do the second also. So you can do all these problems 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 also you can do. 9. Let's do these problems now. So from 10th onwards we will do. The vertices are given as plus or minus 5, 0 and 4, 0. Okay. So it's a horizontal ellipse. 5 minus 5, 0. This is 4, 0 minus 4, 0. So solution, what is given? A is equal to 5. AE is given as 4, which implies E is equal to 4 by 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Then, so B is how much? B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. So B square is equal to A square is 25 into 1 minus 16 by 25. So 25 into 9 by 25, this and this will get cancelled. B square will be 9. So x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1. So this is the required equation. So going to the next problem. So vertices are 0, plus or minus 13. Focus is 0, plus or minus 5. B is equal to 13. BE is equal to 5. Okay. So A square will be equal to B square into 1 minus E square. So A square is equal to B square is 169 into 1 minus, what is the value of E, guys? 5 by 13. That is 25 divided by 169. So 169 minus 25 is 144. So A square is 144, B square is 169. So the required equation will be x square divided by 144 plus y square divided by 169 is 1. So for 12th one, what is the solution? Vertex is 6, 0 and foci is 4, 0. So A is 6, A is 4. So E will be 4 by 6, that will be 2 by 3. B square will be equal to A square into 1 minus E square. So B square is equal to A square is 36 into 1 minus E square is 4 by 9. So b square is 20. There even any mistake? It's right, no?
Correct.
Okay. So 20. Now what we can do is, so required equation will be x square by 36 plus y square by 20 is equal to 1. So next is ends of the major axis. So solution again is a is 3, b is 2. This is even more simple. X square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Because they have given the ends of the major axis and ends of the minor axis. So a is root 5, b is 1. Sorry. A is 1, b is root 5. So x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So x square by 1 plus y square by 5 is equal to 1. Right? 15th one. Length of the major axis is 26 and foci is on x-axis. So 2a is 26, a will be 13, AE is 5. So what is E? E will be 5 by 13. So if E is 5 by 13 and A is 13, what is B? B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. So A square is 169 into 1 minus E square is 25 by 169. So that will be 144 divided by 169 into 169. This and this will get cancelled. It will be 144. So B square is 144. X square by A square plus Y square by B square is equal to 1. Okay. 16th. Length of major axis is 16 and the foci is 0, plus or minus 6. So what is the length? Sorry, length of minor axis. And the foci is on y-axis. So what will be the length of minor axis? That is 2a is 16 because it's a vertical ellipse. So BE is given as 6. A is 8. So how to solve this? Tell me. A square is equal to B square into 1 minus E square. E is how much, guys?
It's frequency.
6 by B, no? Length of minor axis is 16. So A square, that is 64, is equal to B square into 1 minus E square is 36 divided by B square. So that implies B square minus 36 divided by B square into B square is 64. So how much is B square, guys? B square is 100. So what will be the required equation? X square by A square, that is 64, plus Y square by B square, that is 100, is equal to 1. Tell me, is everyone clear with this problem? Because here it is slightly twisted.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. So foci will be 3 commas plus or minus 3 comma 0 and a is equal to 4. So what is the solution, guys? So a is 4, ae is 3. So what will be the value of e? E will be 3 by 4. So b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. So b square is equal to, what is a square? 16 into 1 minus e square is 9 by 16. That is 7. So required equation will be x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Next. B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4, center at origin, focus on x-axis. So given B is equal to 3, C is nothing but AE is 4. So which implies E is equal to 4 by A. Focus is on x-axis means it's a horizontal ellipse. Right? So A square will be, B square is equal to A square into 1 minus A square. So 9 is equal to A square into 1 minus E square is 16 by A square. That is A square minus 16 by A square into A square. This and this will get cancelled, which implies A square is 25. So B square is 9, A square is 25. So x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Okay. Next. So major axis on the x-axis and passes through the point 4, 3 and 6, 2. What is the solution? So let required equation be
19 question you listed, sir.
19th question. You want me to explain it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So B is given as 3.
So this is 18th, I mean 19th, sir.
Oh, I missed 19th. Huh?
Not given.
Oh, it's not here. Okay. So what is the question? 1 minute. So what is that point? Passes through 3, 2. Huh? What is that point?
Three comma two, sir.
So center at origin, major axis on the y-axis and passes through. So major axis on y-axis means x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So it passes through 3, 2. So substituting 3, 2, it will be 9 by a square plus 4 by b square is 1, which implies 9b square plus 4a square is equal to a square b square. So this is when you substitute 3, 2. When you substitute 1, 6, it will be 1 by a square plus 36 by b square is 1, which implies b square plus 36a square is equal to 1. Sorry, a square b square. After that, what are we supposed to do? Multiply the first equation with 9 and subtract it. So when you multiply the first equation with 9, you get 81b square plus 36a square is equal to 9a square b square. Now subtract both. 36a square gets cancelled. Minus 80b square is equal to minus 8a square b square. So b square gets cancelled. 8 gets cancelled 10 times. So a square will be 10. Right? When a square is 10, how will you find b square? Substitute it back in the same equation. You will have 9b square plus 4 into a square, that is 10, is equal to 10 into b square. So b square will be equal to 40. So what will be the required equation? X square by 10 plus y square by 40 is equal to 1. Rohan, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So that will be the required answer. So copy it.
That's it.
Done. So one last problem. So major axis on x-axis and passes through 4, 3 and 6, 2. So let the required equation be x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So it passes through 4, 3. 4 is, so 16 by a square plus 9 by b square is 1, which implies 16b square plus 9a square is equal to a square b square. Similarly, it passes through 6, 2. So 36 by a square plus 4 by b square is 1, which implies 36b square plus 4a square is equal to a square b square. Now what we will do is multiply the first equation with 4, that will be 64b square plus 36a square is equal to 4a square b square. Similarly, multiply the second equation with 9. 36 9s is 144b square plus 36a square is equal to 9a square b square. So subtract both, it will get cancelled. 144 minus 64 is how much? 80. So 80b square is equal to 5a square b square. So b square will get cancelled, a square will be 16. Once you get a square as 16, take it and substitute it here. Then you will have 36b square plus 64 is equal to 16b square. You cannot get b square as negative. So a square is 16, 16. 1 minute.
So I got b square equal to 16 by 5. Sir.
B square is 16 by 5. Is there any calculation mistake in mine? 16b square plus 9a square is a square b square. 36b square plus 4a square is a square b square. Multiply with 4. Okay. Second, multiply with 9. 36 9 is 144 plus 36a square is equal to 9a square b square minus. So a square is 16. That is right. I'm getting a negative value. Is there any mistake that I did? So points, tell me the points. Are they 4, 3 and 6, 2 only?
Yes, sir.
What are you getting?
So 9 into 36.
36 into 9 will be higher than 144.
324, sir.
Oh, it is. How much is that?
324, sir.
324. Okay. So how much is it? 260 then? So when you substitute it, it should be 260, right? So b
Yes, sir.
square. So a square will be how much then? So you have a minus also. It will be 52. So a square is 52. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So a square is 52. When you substitute 52 back, then you will get 36b square plus 52 into 4 is 208 is equal to 52b square. So 52 minus, so 16b square. So what is b square? One 13. B square is 13.
14.
13 only, right? 16 3 is 48. So x square by 52 plus y square by 13 is equal to 1. Please check the answer for this problem alone.
That's correct, sir.
Correct only, no? So x square by 52 plus y square by 13 is equal to 1. So these are all the problems that are related to ellipse. So the remaining problems, you have to complete it by today. So what are all the problems that I've given as homework? Yesterday, I think I gave only 4 problems, right? The remaining, you have to do it today. So complete it before tomorrow's class. Tomorrow, I'll complete hyperbola. So hyperbola is also a small topic. So as I mentioned, I will not explain you the derivation. Derivation is not needed. I will just tell you what are all the points and what kind of questions will come. We'll just solve it. Okay. So in ellipse, is there any doubt that you have? So 11th, 12th is 3-dimensional geometry, 13th is limits, 14th is limits and derivatives is 13th, 15th is probability. So maximum 1.5 months to 2 months, we will be completing the syllabus. Okay. Yeah, tell me guys, is there any doubt, any other doubt from ellipse? Is there anything that is not clear? Okay, I assume that things are clear. Just wait